Act like it's your boy business. We looking at some new Gucci shit right now, man. They had a pop-up here in Lenox. Some dope new shoes. Check the fire. Super exclusive. When you say they come out again?
I want to say, I think you're talking about around like August, I believe.
Like August. So these boys ain't out till August. Super exclusive. And a limited run. Limited run, right?
Yes, sir.
Limited run, you feel me? So you know what we gotta do. We gotta take some stuff home. Straight up. Limited run, super exclusive. So yeah, man, we're doing some shopping. Trying to make it happen. Not that bad neither. I think I want to get this one too.
We don't have the hoodie, sir.
Yeah, I like the shirt a little bit more. Any other colors that's similar that's got that like butter, like the butter in it? Any other colors? Yeah, man. So they got some super dope stuff here. We in Lenox right now. Huh? Oh, okay, yeah. Took the shoe off because I was just trying on kicks, you know. So my man getting me together right now. Oh, yeah, man. We gotta do it though. Super exclusive. Y'all stay tuned. But this week, I'm gonna let y'all see some of this stuff. It's a pop-up shop right now. Shit fire. Oh, got that 90s swag going. 80s, 90s. You feel me? Shit smooth.
So I found it extra small if you want it smaller, or you think the small will be just perfect. This is an extra small.
That's crazy. This is an extra small. That joint big as hell. I think I might go with that move.
Okay.
Yeah. Is it supposed to have the? Let me see. I mean, it's going for that rougher type of feel.
Yeah. So it's like a distressed look.
Yeah. I already know what time it is. Let me see. Let me hold it up to myself. 1 second, y'all. Hold on 1 second. Alright, so it looks like these shits running crazy big. We got some serious size on them. But that's how that 80s, 90s move was, you know what I'm saying? So I had to get an extra small. And I ain't that little, man. I got a little girth. You feel me? So we gonna see what's smoking. Keep a couple more joints. But this is what we got. We got the bag. Matching joints. These red and whites is kind of hard too. I got so much red though, man. I ain't gonna hold you. Like my shoe collection is insane with the reds. So, excuse me. Yeah. Excuse me.
The one with the MCN backpack.
I got really tiny feet.
Can you fit them?
It's a 5.5. No. And there's
You can't fit them?
they're right here.
Damn. Close though.
It's close. I know.
Damn. And what size is that?
A 5.5 basically. It's a 35.
Super dope. It's fire. That joint thick than a motherfucker. Hey, this is nice too, but it's so thick. It's too hot for this shit.
Yeah, that is. I did see that.
Yeah, it's nice though. So yeah, this the pop-up shop, y'all. Super saucy. Look at the hoodie. Fire. They got some good stuff, man. $6.50 for the t-shirt though. Yeah. What you think, Moo? You think it's fire?
I think it's good.
Thumbs up? Alright. She gave it a thumbs up. What you think about these? So this is what Daddy getting. What you think about these? Are these fire?
Smell good too.
They smell good too. Okay. They look good though.
You like this?
I think the socks they cool. You know, a little extra.
Oh no, they're too long.
Okay. Hold on, let's put them back though, cause they got them nice and neat. They got them nice and neat, so we want to keep those nice and neat.
They got me confused.
Yeah, they got them nice and neat. Okay, I think that's I think that's it.
I don't think that's it for the video. I think
What about the hat? Let's ask about the hat. Let's see about the hat move. What the hats go for?
The hats are 400.
The hat's pretty dope too. No, what? That's another size?
No, this is the only
That's the
size
smallest
they
that I
have.
have, sir.
Oh,
The smallest size that they do have is on Rodeo. So I would have to order it.
what are they like those?
They are.
Those 9 something too? 950?
Yes, sir.
Hey, how long would they take to get to her?
It's usually from 3 to 4 business days, depending if they're available.
You want them? Do you want them?
Would you like to see if
Yes or no? Okay.
I'll see if they're available, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Exclusive. You see what she going with? Let's see the sauce. So they might be available for her. We about to see. Ooh wee. Yes sir. Those are limited run too?
So the sneakers that we all have there.
Okay, the whole joints is limited runs. That's the reason why we gotta do it. Because when you duck these off and don't wear them for a couple years, they're out of there.
Actually,
They probably go up in price. And I ain't selling. Yes, sir. So yeah, man, that's how we gonna shake it. Y'all stay tuned. I'll give y'all exclusive of them later on, all that type of good stuff. We in Limit Small. Busting a bag down real quick. And yeah, same old, same old. Get off me, man. Back up. What I tell you about that? Little critter. Those is crazy. Those are
You know
fucking
what's
crazy.
crazy though? What I would do those with these, with the Gucci pumps, with the socks,
That'd be
with the
crazy.
tank.
That'd be
That'd
crazy.
actually be really nice.
That'd be crazy. Y'all see these? Hey, Gucci, man. Bring those down. Let's see these. These are crazy.
Knee pads.
Knee pads. So for all y'all freaks out there, know what those for.
that's mine.
Stop pulling on it.
Those is fire. That's
You
on
got
some
enough
different
money?
stuff.
You can buy
That's
that.
super different. So yeah, they got some exclusive stuff like the hats. This is for fall, so this is the fall run. Yeah. Fall run. Yeah.
You say size 4?
So how? Wait, what was the last ones? Were those a 5?
5.5.
Okay, so you gonna go? They were that much smaller, Felice? Yeah, I'm like, if you was that close in a 5.5.
I'm just going based off of what I feel.
That's what I'm saying. So, what you think? You 2 sizes down?
That's
I have the 4.5 available. I can have it shipped to you.
Okay. Yeah.
The only thing is that I can only do it through credit card. Because it will take, since it's 2 different systems, and I have to get it from like a warehouse, it can only be ordered with a credit card. And that's okay.
He said he got to order it with a credit card.
Oh, okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine. All right. Let me pay for this stuff, y'all, so we can
I just
slide.
need like an email.
Oh yeah, if you like this, don't forget subscribe, all that good shit, man. Gang 2Ks, you already know how you rocking. And yeah,
You wanted the Dominion one? Or which one do you want?
that's cool.
What is that, y'all?
Yeah, that's cool. All right, man. If you like this joint, you already know what to do. Hit that thumbs up. Let me know what you think about these joints. Is they ugly? Is they hot? Are they not? Are they worth it? Let me know what's smoking. We doing these right here?
You said first name, last
Crazy.
name. Yeah.
Yeah. These right here. Boom. Sauce. And excuse me. And these right here. We taking those, and we taking these right here.
Yeah, I take this as a yes.
We gotta see if we can get you some too.
I want some beautiful purple.
Purple.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's my favorite color.
Okay.
Light purple, dark purple, every color in the
Okay. We gonna see what we can do.
Make sure we can find purple.
Okay. We gonna try to figure it
Don't
out.
get me ripped off.
Okay. I got it. I got it. Matching hats. Fire. Nice different little look. Alright. We're gonna go ahead and buy this stuff and slide, man.
This is actually like my
2Ks.